Hi, today we are going to talk about collision with direction. So the question is a 0 0.5 kg trolley moving at a speed of 4 meter per second to a right collides with the 0.8 kg trolley moving at 2 meters per second to the left. After the collision, the 0.5 kg trolley moves at 0.5 meters per second to the left. Calculate the velocity of 0.8 kg trolley after collision. So we know one thing, that momentum after the collision is equal to momentum before the collision. So we will do what? We know what is the velocity of the first trolley, that is z- sorry, the first trolley is 0.5 into 4, and the second trolley has 0.8 into minus 2. Why we do minus 2? Because it is in the opposite direction. We are taking the right side a positive value and left side a negative value. Okay, is equal to, so momentum before the collision is equal to momentum after the collision. So we know that after the collision the trolley has same weight, that is 0.5, but its velocity now is minus 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.8 v2. Okay, now what we have to do, we will just simplify it. So that would be 2 into minus 1.6 is equal to minus 0.25 plus 0.8 v2. Okay, so that would be equal to 0.4 is equal to minus 0.25 plus 0.8 v2. Now what we have to do, we have to simplify it. That is 0.25. So that will become 0.65 is equal to 0.8 v square. So v square is equal to, v2 is equal to 0.65 divided by 0.8. That will give us 0.8125 meters per second. Now what we have to do? Now after that, state whether the collision is elastic or inelastic. Justify using kinetic energy. So we knew that if the collision is elastic, then all the kinetic energy should be conserved. Okay, that means kinetic energy should be equal before and after collision. So before, we will calculate kinetic energy before. So Ke before collision, kinetic energy, that's kinetic energy before collision, kinetic energy before collision is simply 0.5 into that 0.5 is half. Okay, half mv square. So that is m, and that is 4 square is, that is 4 square plus 0.5 is half again into 0.8 into 2 square. So that will give us 5.6 joules if we simplify it. Okay, so now we will calculate kinetic energy after the collision. So kinetic energy after collision, that would be equal to 0.5 half, what is m is 0.5 into 0.25, that is for 0.5 kg of ball, and second one is 0.5 into 0.8, and the velocity we have calculated is 0.185. So that is 0.8125 square So that will give us 0.06 plus 0.26, that will give us 0.32. So energy is not conserved, so this is inelastic closure. Inelastic closure. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.